From their beginnings as a small family business to their expansion into an international hair care supplier, Estyle has been committed to providing high-quality hair products to customers across the globe.
Estyle is the largest multicultural hair gel manufacturer in the world. We went from basically a mom and pop shop to expecting to do $60 million in revenue. When it comes to customer service, we always want to put our customers first. We will do everything we can to make sure the customer gets what they want, when they want it, at the cost they want. And RF Smart is helping us get that done.
To provide the best customer experience, Estyle took the next step towards a scalable inventory management solution that would provide the traceability and organization they needed.
Before RF Smart, we were doing manual processes. When I started here, we had components and finished goods mixed throughout the entire warehouse.
We ship international, so accuracy is very important. If an order comes through and the sales team believes we have X amount of gel and we only have Y, it causes a whole lot of mess.
Estyle now uses RF Smart across their warehouse, from receiving and put away of raw materials to the production and storage of their finished goods. With RF Smart, they've eliminated paper-based processes that were impacting their bottom line.
3 years ago, our inventory accuracy was somewhere in the 70s. Today, we're in the high 90s. We are very happy with what we're seeing with RF Smart.
After their success with RF Smart's inventory management software, they chose to continue partnering with RF Smart in order to use license plating in their warehouse.
We saw how easy it was to implement it into the receiving piece. So once we did that part, we knew we just wanted to complete it throughout the entire warehouse. If there's a question about a certain lot number that we shipped out, we can then go back into RF Smart. We can get the history for that lot number and every LP that lot number lived on when it was in the warehouse here.
RF Smart's license plating functionality allows Estyle to quickly and easily move pallets of their products through their warehouse. License plating provides Estyle with an all-in-one solution to comply with requirements for the FDA, including labeling, tracking, and traceability of their products with just a scan.
We had nothing like that before RF Smart. Basically, before we had the LPs, if a pallet moved from one location to another, we would lose the history once it got to that new location. We had no idea where that pallet was before. So that's the benefit that license plating gives you. It gives you the movement of that pallet throughout the warehouse.
With RF Smart's help, especially with chemicals, which are lot controlled, and we need to be able to do recall practices, you guys have been really helpful on that part. We need to be able to show where every item went, how much we received, how much we shipped, and what's our available inventory. Without RF Smart, it'd be very difficult for us to be able to do that in a quick and timely fashion.
Throughout this partnership, Estyle has shared manufacturing and distribution industry insights. From vendor to partner, the relationship between RF Smart and Estyle continues to grow as they find new ways to optimize warehouse efficiency.
Our inventory accuracy is sky high. RF Smart saves us so much time and energy when everyone knows that our inventory is accurate. RF Smart's a huge part of transforming our warehouse to the unorganized mess that it was to the highly efficient warehouse that it is today.
To learn how RF Smart can help your organization, visit rfsmart.com or email info@rfsmart.com.